Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service door, optical drive, hard disk drive assembly, fan, keyboard, and base enclosure. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the routing tab on the top cover. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fingerprint reader board bracket to the top cover. Lift the fingerprint reader board bracket off of the alignment pins and remove the tabs on the fingerprint reader board bracket from the slots on the top cover. Remove the fingerprint reader board from the cradle on the top cover and place it into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the fingerprint reader board from the static dissipative bag. Place the fingerprint reader board into the cradle on the top cover. Tow the tabs on the fingerprint reader board bracket into the slots on the top cover and lower it onto the alignment pins. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fingerprint reader board bracket to the top cover. Route the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable around the routing tab on the top cover. Insert the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable into the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.